Hey, welcome to the YouTube Scale Model Builders Group Build Update. I'm your host, Dustin from Lamb Chop Builds. Hey, welcome back to another installment of the YouTube Scale Model Builders weekly group build update. Let's get to it. First up, we have the Psychedelic 60s group build hosted by 60s Rule. That will end on July 1st. Then we have the Rock and Roll on Wheels group build hosted by Woody Scale Models Garage. That will end on July 4th. We have the 48-hour group build hosted by Mutt Modeler. That will end on July 13th. Then we have the van group build hosted by Douglas Model Garage Videos, ending on August 31st. We have the Porsche group build hosted by Lucas E's Porsche Model Car Headquarters on Facebook, ending on 9/30. We have the motorcycle group build hosted by Jamie G's and GI Mechanic, ending on October 16th. We have the Big Rig group build hosted by Jess Model Garage, ending on October 31st. We have the Glory Days group build hosted by Dirt Road Cinderella and Big Sky Model Workshop, ending on November 1st. We have the Race Car Hauler group build hosted by the Modeling Hermit, ending on 11/1. We have the 2025 NASCAR group build hosted by West Georgia Rods and Customs and Just Model Garage, ending on 11/2. We have the F1 group build 2025 hosted by Box Stock Garage and RKD Scaleworks, ending on 12/7. We have the My Shop Truck group build hosted by myself, ending on 12/31/2025. We have the Rally Cool group build hosted by the Scale Model Car Podcast, ending on 12/31/2025 as well. Quite a few here ending that time. We have the Street Machine group build hosted by Blue Ox Model Shop, ending on 12/31. We have the Out of This World group build hosted by Krankenstein Creations and Model Car Madness RI, ending on 12/31. The next up is the Off-Road group build hosted by Card Scale Dreams, ending on 12/31. We have the Pro Street F and Everything group build hosted by Resins by Reese and Scale Speed Garage. That ends on 12/31. We have the custom and a new one I added here, a custom and hot rod illustrated group build hosted by Paul from Left Coast Model Car Builds. That ends on 12/31. We have the Second Chance Zombie group build hosted by Paul from Left Coast Model Car Builds and KRD, Jason and KRD, ending on January 1st, 2026. Then the Light 'em Up group build hosted by Ed from ELH Scale Model Garage, ending on 3/1/2026. Then we have the USAC 2026 group build hosted by Lucas C. and Mark Batson, ending March 15th, 2026. Next up is the Dazed and Confused group build hosted by West Georgia Rods and Customs and King Bob's Model Works, ending on 5/26/26. And the last one I have here is a new one to the list as well, and that hasn't started yet. It's the Cannonball Run group build hosted by Billboard Builds. That will start on August 1st, 2025, and that will run through, I believe, August 31st, 2026. Quite a few group builds there. I don't know exactly how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 23 group builds on the list as of right now. And I'm sure there's some that I'm missing. I'm trying to find more when I do some research throughout the week. Because I record this earlier in the week, I release it on Thursdays. We will see what the next one brings, because I'm sure I'll run across some more. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time.